You notice the silence before the chaos. Hundreds of riders waiting in a cloud of exhaust, knowing the start straight is almost 2 minutes of full throttle. The moment it drops, the speed is shocking. And watch how quickly the leaders separate. 450 seconds screaming wide open as the beach turns into a runway. Helicopter shots make it even clearer. For anyone seeing this race for the first time, it feels like beautiful chaos. And for the fastest riders out front, it's a test of pure speed and endurance.